TENDERCRISP technology combines the best of pressure cooking and air frying all in one non-stick pot to quickly lock in juices and swap lids for a golden, crispy finish. Cook for large groups. The non-stick 6.5 quart cooking pot fits up to a 5-pound chicken or a 6-pound roast for creating meals for large groups. Large air frying capacity. Use the 4.6 quart cook and crisp plate to make up to 3 pounds of hand-cut French fries with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Nesting broil rack. The stainless steel nesting broil rack provides the ability to steam, broil, add an additional layer of capacity to your cooking, and stores easily inside the pot. 11-in-1 versatility. Utilize 11 programmable cooking functions to pressure cook, air fry/air crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear/sauté, bake/roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, and keep warm. Precision cook control. Manages bottom heating element to precisely cook food. 45 recipes, 45 recipe cookbook and additional cooking charts for meal making inspiration. What's included? Ninja Foodi pressure cooker, crisping lid, pressure lid, 6.5 quarts. Non-stick cooking pot, 4.6 quarts. Non-stick cook and crisp plate, stainless steel nesting broil rack and 45 recipe chef-inspired cookbook. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Have had a similar Ninja Foodi OP301 for 3 years now. I purchased this one via warehouse deals. It was a scratch and dent return, yet near perfect, and chose it because all the accessories are interchangeable between the one I have now. I use the one I have now so much that I am afraid of it dying and us being without one, so Hubs and I decided we needed a spare. That is how versatile this line is. We use ours each and every day, multiple times a day. We especially like how it cooks bacon and breakfast sausages on the air fry option. No splatter, no mess. You can cook these items and walk away. We pressure cook just about all our chickens and beefs in here. It makes meat so tender for stir fries, curries, casseroles, etc. I make meatloaf in the pressure cooker side and then coat it with ketchup, mustard and air fry it. Perfect. Fish? Perfect. Boiled eggs? Perfect, easy and peelable. I have no regrets with these appliances. Lots of features above and beyond my previous Model 2.